Okay. And
Mhm.
you've never thought of like going to the office? How do you feel about that?
Literally, so some like, do you know Killian, Allie,
Yeah.
and Luke?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know all of them, right? So they go in on Luke and Killian definitely go in every Thursday. I think
Yeah.
Allie's going in on Thursdays. I would try to make such a good effort at the beginning of the year to go in like on Thursdays. I was doing okay for a couple weeks, but I got to the point where I'm just like, I I don't know. It's like we have to record technically managing. Thursday's the only day, or it's just
Mm,
like I'm just like so deep in my work. Like I'm like running behind right now. I need to get something done. So I made the effort to go in, but honestly, I just kind of kept running into working from home was more efficient for me,
mhm,
especially when I'm busy. So I've kind of given up on that for now, but
mhm.
I do like going into the office sometimes. It's a nice change of pace, and maybe on less busy time periods, I'll
Right.
try to do it again. But it's like, I gotta be honest with myself. It's like, I'm so productive
Productive,
just
right.
having my own space where no one can interrupt my thoughts, because that's kind of probably like, I'm curious what you think about that, because when it's when I'm like deep in thought, you're not consciously aware of it because you're
Just
focusing on the
thinking about,
thought,
yeah.
and then anything can snap you out of that, and you're like, shoot, like
You lost it.
I lost it. And I like being able to control my work environment to
Hmm.
avoid stuff like that happening. And it is nice to, as much as like I want to hang out with my friends and stuff, it's like being able to kind of put these like physical boundaries around people interacting with you. It gives you a lot more time in your day.
So it sounds like for you going to the office is a little more social than actually working. Maybe back in the day you used to be working, but when you want to get things done, you definitely like being at home to work.
Yeah, like I don't, because like even when I'm going to the office, like and
Mhm.
hanging out with people, it's not like, oh, we're chatting the whole time. Like I'm
Right.
still working a full day. It's
Mhm.
just the little like efficiency perfectionist in my brains just
Right.
notices, and I'm like, I got so much to do, and I would rather get it done at home so I can have like a little more bubble of a space to like go to the gym or take a run or do the meal prepping that I need because I'm running low on food or something,
Right.
rather than like that like social aspect.